Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tag Lab. It's Wednesday and I am so glad to be here. I was just playing around with a few things and getting some stuff done. And so I said, oh my goodness, I gotta get down there and get my tag done. Because I love playing with tags. If you like tags as much as I like tags, I just love making tags. And I sent a few off for, instead of Christmas cards, I usually send them or birthdays or anything like that. I usually send one of my tags. So during the course of the year, I make a lot of tags to send out. This time for the Tag Lab, I think I'm going to play with clusters. I've been making some clusters. Oops, things are falling down over here. I've been playing with clusters and making some clusters because I'm making a few journals. And so I said, I wonder how my clusters would look on a tag. And if you make clusters, have you put them on your tags or do you just put them in your journals? And so this one, I decided I would just play with my clusters on a tag. And I enjoyed making the clusters. I don't quite I have a few that I've made. So I have a few clusters that I've made, and I wanted to just kind of play with them on a tag. And let me get my stuff out. So I got some paper. I think I'm going to use some of these enamel dots. I have some of those things. So I have a whole bunch of stuff, but I don't know what I'm going to put on the tag yet. Don't you think that's pretty though? Look at these. These are just little things I have. I think they're so pretty. So I might throw them on the tag. And then I have this. I have all these little scraps of things that I don't quite know where I got them from. But I have them, I have them. So I was like, okay, get them out. Let's see if we can throw them on a tag and see how it comes out. See if it comes out really cool. So that's exactly what we're doing today. So let me put this away. Won't want to keep you too long. Now, on the Crab Tag Lab on Wednesdays, I would love if you guys craft along, if you'd let me know if you have done a few things yourself. Tag me and let me know. Or if you're doing some tags, tag me on your videos and let me know. I think I have just love it. I just love tags. So I made some clusters. And my clusters, if you don't know, is just layering things on top of each other to kind of give you a little diorama. I think it's called a diorama. Don't know for sure what's that called, but that. I'm going to move you down a little bit so you can see. I'm hoping my light is not too bright. I think I like that. Yeah, that's better. That's better. I'm hoping that's better. Okay, so I added a cluster here. I think I'd like to put a strip of this there. Where's my scissors? I can never find scissors when I need them. I never can find them. I have like 99 and a half pair of scissors. And I'm saying I have a half pair because one pair is broke. It's broken, but I still use it. So that's my half one because I use it to, open envelopes with and stuff like that. So I have 99 and a half tags. I have 99 and a half pairs of scissors that I use. I'm going to use this Fabri-Tac and see if I could stick this down here. Clusters are such a creative way of using up your scraps or just using up pieces of fabric or things that you have. I think I want to put it on both sides. Things that you have to make dimensional things for your journals. You can also do clusters on, if you have it, you can do clusters on cards. I've done a few clusters on cards. I don't know if I did it on a video, but I have done it. So you can do a few clusters on cards. Just get out all your stuff. Consider your cards, I don't like that scissor. Consider your cards like a little junk journal even. And just throw everything on it. Throw it on it and see how it comes out. So I use some of this along the side. And then I made this cluster with these. So I added some of that. I have a tag back there. Added a ticket, some that things, all kinds of things on here. So I'm gonna put that on. You know, me and Fabri-Tac. I love Fabri-Tac because it sticks the stuff down that has fabric attached and everything, but trying to get it out the bottle. You know, if I could tell those who makes it, the Beacon people, help me with the Fabri-Tac. Give me some tips. What do I have to do to make it come out better? What I gotta do? So I want this one, this down at the bottom. And this tag now, have a little clip right there, is really looking good and dimensional. I think I need something right there. And what I got right there is I'm gonna slide that in like that. Yes, yes. I'm gonna slide that in like that. To, let me get the tag in the thing, because I put that on. I like this. This was a ribbon thing that I had got in a clearance bin at Joann's. Because she had a piece of the ribbons in there. So, I haven't slide that right in there like that. So that can give me a little background. And Tag Lab is not taking up a lot of time today. I want to add a few of these. You know, I think I got a theme here going, a color thing going. I think I'm going green. I want to add one of these here. I like them. And maybe a little one up there. And I didn't use, I think I want to snip this. You know, sometimes you have stuff that you have it as like a thing. Don't be afraid to, or a piece of ephemera and stuff, don't be afraid to snip it. Snip it and use it a different way. It doesn't have to always be the way that it's supposed to be. Because this little piece here was a frame, but I kind of just wanted a piece of the gingham down there. So I cut it and deposited it down there. I'm gonna put a thing on it, a dot, an enamel dot. And I think I'm kind of done with our tag. I think I'm gonna put a little enamel dot up there, a little green one up there. And I'm having to decide, because I like this cute little fabric right here. I love this fabric right here. And I'm thinking, does it work? Does it work? Let me lay it down and see. Does it work? Don't work. Don't work. I'm going to put this on something. You're going to see these things some at one time or another. Okay, friends. Here is this week's tag in the Tag Lab, and I'm using clusters. I'm using paper clusters, fabric. So this tag has a lot going for it. It has enamel dots, it has fabrics, and everything. I like this too. I like these things too. So let me know what you think about this week's tag. And if you have a tag that has clusters in it or anything like that, please please tag me if you create your own version. I hope you out there creating your own version. And let me know if when I make the tags, if you want to craft along, if I give you all of the things that I'm going to use for next week's tag, will that help you to craft along with me? I love to hear that. So if you enjoyed this video today, please give this video a thumbs up, because thumbs up helps my channel. Also, press that button if you're not a subscriber, and subscribe. I'd love to have you join me here and work with me in the tag lab. You know, I have a hard time saying tag lab. In the tag lab. And you'll know, hit the bell beside it so that you'll know when I upload the next video. I'm going to try to keep to the Wednesday schedule. I have a few other things that I'm working on, so I've got another journal that I'm working on. And so I will be posting that. But thank you for joining me. Hope you have a most pleasant week. Also remember, and don't forget this year, because you know it's 2026, and in 2026, begin to make yourself a priority. Self-care is not selfish, and we all need it. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.